Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Christmas event in Garden game of Roblox Christmas Update Part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Christmas Update Part 3 has been released in Grow a Garden, and you can go to this area and you will see this Lumberjack Larry and also the Wonder Water. And basically, all you need to do is submitting your Christmas mutated plants to this Wonder Water, and you will get one Wonder Water after you reach 200 points. Okay, and you need to grow the Christmas tree, guys. You can claim the Christmas tree seed right here. I have already claimed the Christmas tree. And I have planted the Christmas tree in my garden. This one, guys. Okay. This is my Christmas tree, and we need to water this Christmas tree with the Wonder Water. Okay, let me show you the Christmas tree, this one. Okay, this is mine. And to get the Wonder Water, just like the previous update, we need to submit our Christmas mutated plants. And I'm going to submit all. Okay, and yeah, I still need to submit more Christmas mutated plants, and after that we will get Wonder Water, this one. This is how the Wonder Water looks like, and I'm going to go back to my garden, and then I'm going to water my Christmas tree. Okay, and the weight will increase after we water it. Just tap on the Christmas tree. And then guys, for every weight, you will get specific reward. Okay, I'm going to talk to the Lumberjack Larry, and let's view the reward. Okay, for 6 kilogram, you will get the Christmas stocking, and for 7 kilogram, you will get winter egg, and so on. And I'm going to show you the reward list. Okay, and my Christmas tree is around 7 kilogram. And I need 8 kilogram to get this Christmas egg. So to increase the weight, you need to water it with the Wonder Water. Okay, and you can get the Wonder Water from here by submitting your Christmas mutated plants. Okay guys, and that's how the Christmas update part 3 works. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.